I'm here with Tony from Real Garage Life. And Tony, I know that the company offers a lot of great products for collector cars. What's some of the latest news with you guys?
Well, this Mecum is an awesome place for this because, people are here buying cars and they don't have all the space. We are two different companies within Real Garage Life. We got Backyard Buddy is our US made, which I have with us here today. We're using a square post for our string. And we have this sleeve that wraps around it. It's called an outside slider. This allows it no wiggle, no wobble that you get in the normal 4-post lip. So stability, you feel good being underneath of it. The safety factors is all part of that. Then you'll notice right here, here's a secondary lock. So if something were ever to go wrong with the lift on a cable, you have another lock that would engage, keeping this lift from coming down. Look right here on our pulleys. We use a grease zerk down here at the bottom, so you can lube this for longevity of that lift. The size of our base plates, you'll notice this is all freestanding. You don't have to anchor this to the floor. We make it to where it can be moved. How nice is it? I don't have to dedicate one space in my garage for this lift for the lifetime. I can move it around. We box in the underneath of these ramps because we want strength. I don't want flex and bow when you put your car on. So underneath here, it's all boxed in. And then this particular model is called a Wide Buddy. It's got the 2-foot wide runways. So they're 24 inches wide versus an 18.5 inches wide. This is 85 inches from outside to out. No tire is going to hang off. We have taken all our lifts and we go through ALI certification. That's a third-party company that comes in, tests your lift through all the different tests that they want to do. It's a great thing to have this, and not a lot of people have it. I love coming to Mecum. I've been coming here for 17 years. The crowd here is awesome. The people are awesome. This is a great place to come. A lot of people will see all these lifts on the internet and they get confused of what to do. But you can come to a Mecum show and lay your hands on our product. What a better place. If you're coming to buy cars, you're running out of room, I can help you out and store these cars.
If viewers want to find out more about the lift or about Real Garage Life, where can they head?
Well, go right to our website, Real Garage Life, and you'll find a Backyard Buddy there. You'll find the Vantage lifts there. I'm always at the Mecum Auctions, and we're at auctions all across the country. And so just give us a call. Let us tell you all the difference between our products.